What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P, back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today's video is my year update and also my unboxing video of all the beard mail that I got today. And on the year update, nothing's really changed for me other than the fact that I revealed it last week that I switched up my multivitamin. I'm taking these now, the Garden of Life multivitamin, organic, the good stuff, 30-day supply. So in 30 days, I'm probably end up buying some more, but I mean, nothing's really changed. I mean, it's getting kind of long, like it's getting there. I think it's about, I don't really know how long it is. I know there's a way you're supposed to measure it. I think it's from the bottom part of your lip to the actual tip of your beard, which I don't know. I think it may be two and a half, maybe. I don't know. I don't really keep track. I just watch it grow and see what happens. But enough about me. That's my year update. It's coming in, it's growing in. It's filling in up here a little bit, but it's coming in the way I wanted to. And I wanted to unveil my beard mail. This I got in the mail today. I actually got quite a few items in the mail today. Uncle Donnie's, and this is the beard butter, but he also sent me the beard balm, the beard balm as well. And Uncle Donnie, if you don't know who Uncle Donnie is, get to know this man. He's in some of Dan C's live, live chat. Sometimes he's there, sometimes he's not. It just depends, like he's working. But for the most part, he's in those live chats. Get to know this man because he makes his own beard butter and beard balm. He started his own grooming company, and his Uncle Donnie's grooming company is called that. And he sent me four samples out to try, and it's the balm and the lemongrass and the original scent, the beard butter. And he also sent me the other canisters in here as well, the beard butter and the lemongrass scent, and the original beard balm and the original scent. And the original scent I have not tried. I've tried the peppermint lemongrass before and the beard butter, but the original scent, and I just put some of this in just now, as you can see. And it doesn't really have like a scent to it. If anything, it smells a little bit like shea butter a little bit, but it doesn't really have like that, like a scent to it, like the peppermint lemongrass. But I'm gonna tell you right now, he nailed it with this butter and the peppermint lemongrass. I've tried this stuff before. His stuff smells awesome. I'm probably gonna end up doing a review on the balm and the butter of the original scent. And I'm gonna tell you right now, he nailed it with this butter. I've been putting it on for the last couple of nights, and it smells phenomenal. It does what it's supposed to do in terms of butter. It softens your beard. I highly recommend it. If you want to check out his company, it's on. Type in Uncle Donnie's Grooming Company. He changed the name. It's on Instagram. And where's his sticker? Let me go get it. Dropped it like a jackass, but it's under Instagram is under Uncle Donnie's Grooming Company. Just type that in and it'll pop up. But I'll let y'all look at that, and you can freeze the video to get the information that you need. Or Uncle Donnie's Grooming Co. @gmail.com. You can reach him on his email. And I highly recommend this. Who knows? I might I might give some of this away. Actually, because I got more than enough. I'm gonna give this away. So, and you would not be disappointed because it smells phenomenal. It does what it's supposed to do in terms of a beard butter and the balm I haven't tried yet, but I want to do something. I need to do my giveaway. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do, but. He also, like I said, sent me this nice sticker that I'm gonna put on the refrigerator, the car, somebody's forehead, laptop. I don't know yet, but I'm putting it somewhere. And thank you, Uncle Donnie, for sending this stuff out to me. I'm gonna do a review as soon as I can. I got other stuff I need to review, but and it comes in this nice burlap sack. The tins are 1 ounce tins. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm like, I just, and it's a nice quality burlap sack. You could remember like how your mom or your grandmother back in the day had the Crown Royal bags with all the pennies and stuff. That's exactly what kind of quality it is. Look at that. That's good quality right there. You can put a whole bunch of pennies, coins, dimes, nickels, dollars, whatever you want to put in there. Like this just had that feeling of a Crown Royal bag, but in a good way. Like it's a good quality bag. And I know that's a weird analogy, but it kind of brings back memories of like my grandmother and the Crown Royal bottles. So it's weird, but it's somewhat true. It's a good quality bag. It kind of reminds me of a Crown Royal bag, but in a good way. And sent me the sticker, and he also sent me the letter. Thanks for all the support, brother. I'm truly, truly grateful for everything you've done to help me get my company started. Here's my way of saying thank you and showing how much I appreciate you. Enjoy, Uncle Donnie. Uncle Donnie, you didn't really need much help from me. Your product speaks for itself. So, but this is the letter, and Uncle Donnie, I'm proud of you for starting your company. And I'm gonna say this: if you got an idea, and I've said this in previous videos, you got an idea or you got a goal that you want to do, just do it. Don't let nobody get in your head and keep you from doing what you want to do. This is something that he wants to do. I'm backing him 100% because it's a goal that he has. And hey, I mean, it just all started with him just being curious about making beard butters, and look at him now. Like he has his own grooming company. So, hey, you never know what might happen if you pursue your dreams. But with that, that's what Uncle Donnie sent me. So thank you, Uncle Donnie. And also I got this in the mail. And this is the Dan C t-shirt, the Stay Bearded. And I had to get one. I eventually told myself, yeah, I need to get one of these shirts. I'm feeling left out. All these shirts I see everywhere, Stay Bearded, and I'm missing out. So I had to get me the shirt so I could have me some beard shirts. I'm tired of walking around with Nintendo shirts and X-Men shirts. I want the people to know that I'm bearded. I'm here for life. So thank you, Dan C, and thank you, Sam, for sending this stuff out to me. And they also sent, and this is the letter that Sam and Dan C sent to me. Sean, you're the man. Thank you for being such a great guy and a great supporter. We hope you enjoy your shirt. Remember to wash cold, dry low. Thanks again, Dan and Sam. With this shirt, I'm probably gonna end up hand washing it and just hang drying it just to be safe. But thank you guys. And this is the letter that Dan and Sam sent to me. And you guys are awesome. I'm proud of you guys for doing the work on the channel and the content that you guys put out. You guys are awesome. And oh yeah, and check out their live stream tonight. If y'all watch this video, check out Dan C's live stream. It's always entertaining. It's always fun. We have fun in the live stream, so check it out. And it's under Dan C Bearded, and it'll pop up because he's kind of mainstream now because he kind of doing big things. So, and this is the shirt once again. And that's some of the other beard mail that I got today. I almost said beer. And what else did I get? And last but not least on my beard mail is the mail I got from Beard Talk with Matt. If you don't know who he is, get to know him. His saying is, what it do, what it is. And as it says on the letter that he sent me, what it do, what it is, Sean P. I also threw in some samples. Okay, if you have tried, congrats to all the success, Matt. And if you don't know who that is, one of the better intros in the game, in the beard game, has his actual logo with his actual face on it. One of the better logos I've seen on a beard channel. Check out the channel, Beard Talk with Matt. He's doing a giveaway as well. 350 subscribers. When he hits that goal, he's doing his giveaway. I think it's sponsored by Honest Ape Beard Co. So check it out. Honest Ape is a great company. If you have not tried them, try them because Rob Smith at that company is doing big things and doing a good job there. But here's some of the stuff that Beard Talk with Matt sent me to actually give this away. So this is the Texas Beardsman Company. I'm trying to figure out what scent this is. And I'm saying it's Boost, the Boost scent. And I've heard good things about this company. And I'm probably gonna end up ordering from them anyway, but I'm giving this away to somebody. Just don't know who yet. And I'll probably do a video on how I'm gonna do my giveaway, but it's not really much to it. Just watch the video, subscribe, and share. And he also sent me a couple samples as well. The Woodsman, which this is a company I kind of want to try, the Bearded Bastard sample. And that's one thing too, if y'all looking to try samples of certain companies, don't be afraid to order the samples before you actually buy, you know, a whole 1 ounce bottle of oil, and you might not like it. So order these samples, try them out. This is another sample of the Patriot from the Badass Beard Care. And I believe this is the Villain, which this is meant for like Papa Smurf or something, like this little bottle, but I understand it's a sample. The Villain, I believe this is Heroes and Legends. And thank you, Matt, for sending this stuff out to me, dude. You're awesome. And I mean, like I said, man, the beard community is awesome, and people can talk trash about beards and they're not meant for the workplace and all this other stuff, but I'm sorry, beards are here to stay. I know I'm keeping mine, but that's all the beard meal I got today. That's my year update. Nothing's really changed for me in terms of just my supplementation, and I kind of noticed it getting longer, and it's kind of filling in up here. But like I said, nothing's really changed in terms of my the growth. I don't see it really growing. Maybe I just haven't really noticed it, but it's a good day today, Monday. Beard meal is always a good day anyway, but I'm gonna sum up this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you watch this video, go check out Beard Talk with Matt. Puts out great videos. Is a product reviewer, beard product reviewer, doing a 350 subscriber giveaway. Check him out. Also, check out Dan C. Bearded. He is doing a giveaway as well tonight on his live stream. Check out his channel. Puts out quality videos, incorporates his family, his wife, his kids. It's just a good feel, good positive vibe to his channel. Check it out. Also, check out Uncle Donnie's grooming company. His beard butter and balms. He has 2 cents right now. You can find him on Instagram at Uncle Donnie's Grooming, at Uncle Donnie's Grooming Company, or Uncle Donnie's Grooming Company at gmail.com. I believe I got that right. And just check out all these 2 beard channels, and check out Uncle Donnie, man. He is doing big things. We've talked highly of his beard, beard butter, and I'm sorry, it's probably the best butter that I've tried. And I'm being honest, but I haven't tried that many beard butters, but that is up there with one of the best beard butters that I've used. And with that, I'm gonna sum up this video because it looked like Edmond High School is about to start their marching band stuff. So I'm gonna sum up this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace. I would have did this on Instagram, but the moment you realize that Morgan Freeman is really Sean P. Get it right, Sean. Get it right. Talking to the camera. Let them know. Let them know. No, I'm just playing. What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy, Sean P, back with another video. And today's video is really an unboxing and my year update. I'm on week 14. Nothing's really changed for me other than the fact that I started taking this. I don't have the bottle with me. It's in the bathroom right now, but I started taking these multivitamins. And the biotin that I bought last week, I haven't started taking that yet. I've got really a couple more days of the other biotin I've been using before I run out. Once that happens, it'll switch over to that. And why is it that every time I want to do a video, somebody wants to weed eat?